up, guys? Today I'm going to be trying to put the Brembos in the rear. So hopefully it'll be a nice clean install. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm just going to show you a couple things. Alright, so these are the Brembos that I'm trying to put on for the rear. Came off of a 05 STI. You can see they're kind of dirty. Just going to clean them up here. And then see if I can't get them installed. Okay, so what I'm going to do real quick is just disassemble this. Should be pretty easy. Gotta pull the pins out here. It's stuck. There we go. Now I need a little pair of pliers. Pull that out real quick. I'm gonna try to clean all the hardware up too, since I don't have enough money to buy new ones. Okay. Pull the pads out here. There's one. I need new pads soon, so let's see if I can get some of those. Alright. So just want to spray some acid on them so they'll clean it up, get all the brake dust off. A little bit better when it's done. Alright, so for this install on the rear Brembos on the Outback, I ended up having to get a bracket because they don't just bolt on like the fronts. The fronts bolt directly onto the stock hubs there. But for the rears, I had to buy some brackets, and did some shopping around and found these Torque Solution rear caliper brackets. They allow you to fit the Brembos on the rear, and they're about $180 or so. A couple other ones were like Rally Tech and K&S brakes. See, I think there's a few companies that made them, but I went with Torque Solutions. They all looked about the same to me, and the design, this fits really well. I was pretty happy with that. Quality wise, you know, it looks okay. Nothing I can really point out that I don't feel like it didn't fit. This is a little thing here, but overall it should be nice. Comes with a, you know, sticker and a nice hardware kit, so I always appreciate when they have a good hardware kit for that. Alright, so let me just bolt this up and kind of show you what we're doing here. So for this one, just gonna bolt it on. Alright, I'm gonna put 2 washers here and there. And then I have these screws here that thread in nicely. Had to extract the old bolt piece in one of these holes, but came out all right. So I'm happy about that. You should go right in, no problem. Just run these in. Snug them up, and that's it. There's the bracket. So that just bolts right on to your hub assembly there. So I got both of these done already. Look pretty good. Cool. All right, let's put them on. Oh, close-ups. Alright, let's get the wheel spacer on. Take off the brake caliper. One and two. That was over great. Pinch the line off so the brake fluid doesn't go everywhere. That's a good idea. And try to save our bolt here. Need our banjo bolt with our washer. Okay. There it is. Alright. Move the old one. Here. See if this rotor came off. Nice. Okay. Alright, so in order to fit the Brembos on this, like we showed a little earlier, here's that dust shield. Just has a bunch of spot welds. So we're going to remove that now. Where's my hammer? Okay. So all we gotta do is just hammer these bolts.
A few moments later.
Okay. Cool. And let me just get us some excess memo off. Yes. Ah! Ah! Ooh. Yeah. I'm bleeding. From where? Okay, now let's just grind down the rest of the welds. Make them a little smoother. I don't even know where I'm bleeding from. Cool. Cover the brakes. Not that they're gonna be useful anyways.
So what are you doing?
I'm spraying some black paint on there so it doesn't rust. Hopefully it'll last a little longer. Look a little cleaner.
Stuff like that.
Hey. Now I'm just gonna let that kind of dry for a second. Not really. Okay, clean the rotor up. Oh, it's on my cut. It's on my cut! All the dirt and grease on. And install that. Things on to hold it still. Okay. And my torque solution bracket and Brembo. Already assembled this, so it should just slide right on. There. Screws out of the way. Put this bolt in here. Oops. Oh no.
A few moments later.
There we go. There's that one. Started. The other one here now. Uh-oh. I should use this. Snug those up real quick. One. Two. And that should be it. Alright, now we just gotta add the brake pads to it. Got these cheap Duralasts for now. Just want to get some new pads in there. The older ones don't look so good. So these are pretty easy to install. Let's see if we can get a shot of this. Pretty much just slide them in like this. One and two. Then got this bracket, helps hold them in place. Two metal pins, slide the metal pin in through it like that. I like to install the first one so it kind of holds it, and then just pop the bracket down and around like that. And the next one you just kind of push down. A little clip goes right over here. Hole and these pins. There we go. Just pops right there. Alright. And one more. Push this down here so that goes Just over it. And through. And install a clip. There it is. And that's a fully installed Brembo. 04 STI rotor, 04 STI Brembo, rear Brembo, and then of course brand new pads. So now we're going to go ahead and bleed them and see how they look. So we'll show you guys that in a minute. Alright guys, I got it all back together and bled. So just giving you a look at this. Got them rear Brembos on now. Look pretty awesome. I don't know if you can see from this far away, but I didn't do an install on the fronts, mostly because it was just pretty simple and I did them a while back. But it's just an STI 04 STI front rotor and then an STI Brembo front caliper. So it's pretty easy to get parts for that. Got that Torque Solutions rear brackets and put these rears on. Look pretty great. It stops really fast. So alright, well thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have something new coming up soon.